beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you Beauty Forever Hair Company. This is their V-part curly 24-inch wig. Okay, excuse the hair. For this style you would want braids or maybe a leave out, but how I'm doing it is no leave out. So I'm going in with my curling activator so my hair can be a little bit softer on the front. For this style you can either do a side part or a middle part, but I decided to do a middle part. It would have been better as a side part because the parting you wouldn't be able to see as much. I am definitely going to fix the middle part a little bit more, but let's start on these baby hairs so they're not in the way. So right here you can do your own baby hairs. If you don't have edges, maybe you can brush it back, or if you don't like creating edges, you can brush it back and not do a style. For the side combs, you would want to put those in the side. So right here, I'm just defining the curls, making it a little bit more fluffier so you don't see the parting. I'm going in with the end Jackie mousse just to add a little bit of thickness, fullness at the top. I will replace it and make it a little bit closer. I think that was the issue. Okay, well, dolls, this is the full look. I wish I would have left a leave out. It probably would have helped a little bit more. I really hope you enjoyed the video, though. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.